God.
Purulong dapat may pulong.
Joanna, absent-minded.
Bless Arden.
Hi, Joanna. Mercy shall be there. Bless our name, the pure in heart, they shall sing on. Rejoice and be glad. Blessed are you, holy are you. Rejoice and be glad. Yours is the kingdom of God. Bless our name, who sing peace. They are the children of God. Bless our name, who suffer in pain. The glory of God is there. Rejoice and be glad. Blessed are you, holy are you. Rejoice and be glad. Yours is the kingdom of God. Parang hindi ko pa yung kanta. Parang balsi-balsi lang to, di ba?
Huwag masyadong
Masyadong mabilis. Parang hindi ko ma. This is the kingdom of God. Bless our day, full of sorrow. Rejoice and be glad. Bless our day, the poor in spirit. This is the kingdom of God. Bless our day, full of sorrow. Jesus shall
Papasok kami. Nakalimutan nyo na.
kasi gumagawa ko na si Good Boys. Meron ako sila sa second boys.
Okay.
Okay ha?
Sa amin,
Sagita, sagita.
Koda lang kami mag
Okay.
Huwag lang mabilis.
Bless our name, the poor in spirit. There is the kingdom of God. Bless our day, full of sorrow. They shall be a song. Rejoice and be glad. Blessed are you, holy are you. Rejoice and be glad. Yours is the kingdom of God. Bless our day, the lonely ones. They shall inherit the earth. Bless our day, who hunger and thirst. They shall have their fill. Rejoice and be glad. Blessed are you, holy are you. Rejoice. rejoice and be glad. Yours is the kingdom of love. Blessed are they who see peace. They are the children of God. Blessed are they who suffer in faith. The glory of God is theirs. Rejoice and be glad. Blessed are you, holy are you. Rejoice and be glad. Yours is the kingdom of love.
Ito na siya.
Ito na naman kami ng
Guys, boys, ano? Sa kanya, sa pagsapot ako. Kayo, pakisuko sa
Sing the Lord, what He made me find. Go to Him, for He still got you.
Antayin niyo yung ano.
Hindi, late
Late na sila. Pagpasok ko, tama na yung timing. Masyado na nilang binagalan. Kaya nga. Sabi niyo kasi gamay mo. Talaga, hindi ano na lang sila sa puso ko talaga yung pagkabaga. Kinarir. Okay.
Sige na,
Sing the Lord, what He made me find. Go to Him, what is the need? Today is the day, and not the program. To forsake our sinful lives and turn to the Lord. Sing the Lord, what He made me find. Go to Him, what is still here. As high as the sky is above the earth. So high above our ways, the ways to the Lord. Sing the Lord, what He made me find. Go to Him, what is still here. What in the Lord, let us sing to Him. His word is great, lead us to love. Sing the Lord, what He made me find. Oh, to Him, what is still here. Someday we'll be in the house of God. Gaze on His face and praise His name. Sing the Lord, what He made me find. Oh, to Him, what is the
Kailangan bigla si Ate Susan yung beat niya kasi hindi tayo papasok sa beat niya. Kaya kasi magkakaroon talaga. Nakakakanta talaga pag nag-beat niya. May pasok kasi hindi natin
Relax nyo. Relax ka.
yung beat makapasok. Kaya
Masyado lang silang natay ko yung kamay mo.
para makapasok.
Masyado kasi lang natitenso sa susunod. Kaya ano, relax na lang.
Okay na lang mahigpit.
May mga makakahaba pa yung boses niya. Nakagad kayo. Imagine, nakakalaglag pa na yun. Ano hindi nyo kayo? Nakakabigtas ng garter. Nakakabigtas ng garter na kanta. Okay! Guys, sorry. My heart. That's all you need to be. Lies inside. Every Jesus in my heart. What I have to feel. Only Jesus I know God. In my heart these days.
You are my God. Have you ever realized God is mystery? God's with you and me. God is dwelling in my heart. Rising sun, and Jesus in my heart. Jesus and the blood in my heart is King. He's God to you, journey them behind us go. Lion them, God is God, and you are the one. God is dwelling in my heart, you are one. You are one, so he gives me, so he will rise his sun. When Jesus in my heart, for he's the Son of God, in my heart is King.
E or A7 or E minor, wag mo dalhin niya sa taas. Kasi ibang tunog.
Sa baba lang.
Baba lang talaga yan. Kasi G na yan sa taas eh. Okay, recording.
Pahinga muna, pahinga muna.
Pahinga ko na saglit na kayo.
Sige na, mag
Anong oras na ba?
okay na ako din. Sabi nung kamay natin, sabi ko, ang bagal naman bumaba. Kaya mo ba?
Binabantayan niyo.
Hawak sa galing ko ba? Hawak ko na yung ganito ko. Baka pagturo nila, sarado pa, di ba? So, mauna tayo dalawa.
Oo, dapat hindi pa, oo.
Bukas na tayo para pag last nilang pag ganyan, bukas siya.
Kaya nga sa baba, nakatalikod tayo sa station.
Tapos nung magturo nilang ganyan, pwede na kayo sa
Oo.
posisyon. Tapos sabi, habit pa lang mag-cheer naman kayo sa amin. Tapos na part yan na go.
Saka
Talagang pa kayo.
magtatakuan sa
Kung ditong
sa
side, dito
akyat.
dito yung hagdanan. Sa ditong side, dito ang hagdanan. Yun na yung mag-start up sa yun na yung position nyo. Okay na? Uy, damit yung suit na try nyo. Makagalaw kayo.
Maggalaw yan, Diyos ko, short kayo. Maluwag naman, bakit hindi ka magalaw? Hindi pa alam natin kung paano magalaw.
Sa practice pa ba?
Kasi ikaw lang nag-video.
Di ba tayo pinag-practice? Mamaya na.
Nag-practice na tayo.
Okay, dito kami sa taas. Saan kayo?
dapat small yan.
Wala yung kami sa baba. Wala yung sa baba. Ginit tayo. Wala yung sa baba.
Dito yung kayo, diba?
Wala yung small.
Yan, iwalay tayo ha.
Ano muna? Sprite muna. Pumuna tayo, pumuna.
Ah!